Alright, hey guys, so while I said I was not doing build videos, I thought one thing might be beneficial. On the cabinets for that I'm going to build with the 8020, I'm going to use what I went to a 8020 place store fabrication place in Canada, and what they said the best, strongest hold for 8020, especially like this, was to drill into this and have a special connector that looks like this. And what you do is you have to thread this post, this vertical, and then you have to drill a hole into this so that you can tighten the screw down. And they said that it was the strongest hold this way versus using the little angle corner brackets or anything like that. So I'm going to show you real quick what I ordered. I got a couple of Klein tool 1/4 20 tap drill bits. It's this right here. Get out of the way. Of course, stick it with my drill gun. And what I will do is I'll spray a little bit of WD-40, just an ever so slight amount. Then I have the drill on the torque mode. Okay, so this would go on like this. It would basically start it out. And then I'm going to give it a little example. So then this would then slide in like this, and as this slides in, when the hole is drilled here, you could then tighten this down and it will pull on this inside, lip right here to make the connection super tight. And the forces, the vertical forces, are going to be in the threads and the screw vertical this way, as opposed to a corner bracket, which is going to not provide the same strength. So anyways, I thought I'd give you guys a quick little demo, short one, just to see how it's going to connect, at least the verticals, just so that you would have a little bit of info. Alrighty guys, I got one more little view into the 8020 work. The best thing to do is to set up a jig. Now you can see I'm letting you into my very small shop, quote unquote shop. This is the length of my cabinets, the length side, and I've cut some as a template. That's what I've hung up already once to check it, make sure it fits all nice, which it did. So I'm going to make some more. I'm going to make 3 more cabinets, and the key is to have a jig. So jig doesn't have to be some fancy thing that you buy. Here's my jig. It's just a stopper right here that I screw down into my bench, my old workbench, so that this can stop, and then the saw will cut every piece exactly the same length. So I use this guy again as another template to get ready to cut some more, and I need to cut some of my 8020 right here up, so I'm going to do that. And I've already cut up the 10-inch, the depth pieces. I've cut 8 of those, and I already cut the verticals, 8 of those. So I have 8 of each of those. I just have to make 8 of the length ones, and I'll have the all the framing for the next two more cabinets. I'll have 3 altogether, and then I will screw them, put the screw holes in, or tap the ends, so I can just again use the verticals to hold with end screw ends, and then I'll be able to take the wood down here. Down here is the wood I already cut up for the backs and fronts. I only have enough wood for 2 boxes, I think, to our 2 cabinets to close up. So I'll probably do a quick rough connect with 2 cabinets, because we're going to try to take the van out tomorrow so we can have a little place to put stuff up off the floor. And then we get back home, I'll take them back down and get some more plywood, cut some more for the back. Right now I just have the 2 sides and the bottom, and theoretically the top, but I need some for the top, and that way we can close the whole thing up. So anyways, this little window into the 80/20 build. Again, I'm not doing a whole van build thing. I just like to show you a little bit of the steps that I'm taking. If you have questions about any particular thing I'm doing, feel free to ask in the comments and I'll try to get you an answer. I'm not a carpenter, not a metalsmith, just trying to use YouTube University like we all do, and trying to give it our best shot to make some decent little cabinets. Alrighty, so here's our view. Got Nigel out. Got some of our cabinets loaded. You can see, I don't know, there's white caps out there, so it's windy and it's pretty cold. But the heater's working and we've got a great view. I don't even think we're gonna put our window covers for the back or here tonight. Probably just our our windshield and driver and passenger side windows, because we like that view. Let me see. Alrighty, so our first night with Nigel, a success, right, woman?
Yes.
We decided that we were going to go ahead and upholster the cabinets. One, I just banged my head on the corner right here, but my older daughter said that since she has a baby, she just looked at the cabinets and saw hard hazards, so she said, you guys should upholster it. So I think we're going to go ahead and do that, cover it with the same fabric we have here and a little padding. It's been windy all night long. The heater worked great. Our $99 heater worked spectacularly. It ran all night long. Our anchor is down to 70%. It was fully charged when we got here. And again, the anchor has got a 200 amp hour. It's basically a 200 amp hour battery. So if we had our regular 400 amp hour that we're going to put in this month, we'd be probably at 85%. Pretty nice. And I guess that's all. We're going to go ahead and get out of here today early since it's so gosh darn windy. We can't really cook outside. And I don't have an extension cord for my anchor to reach where I could put the stove, like right here, for example, on the little table, my electric stove. So, aw shucks, we might have to go pick up some breakfast at the mill. I think my wife wanted that to happen. All in all, worked great. It's still a little cool because there's no, insulation or no cover on the walls, but that's coming. That'll probably be a little while down the road, but we're getting there. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the little update on all the stuff we've done. The cabinetry. The Boxio. One last thing on the Boxio. Our potty down here. We didn't obviously make the heavy matter, let's just call it, but we did the other. It worked perfect. It worked really good, so we're really happy with that purchase. Boxio. It's like $250 with the top part, the bottom where it holds extra hemp and bags and all that kind of stuff. A lot of people can just use a bucket. That's what we used for a while. But I like the separator part, so that way the urine just goes into a little tank. You can go and dump that at home in the toilet or at a rest area, whatever you need to do. Anyways, hope the update was good, and we'll catch you next time.